to start the new year off getting rid of some really old paints. So this is going to be an experiment. I've got my hands off handles. I've got my sides painted in Bordeaux red. I've got it taped, and I am going to layer my cup, and I have several colors, and I know this is a Mondo Llama. I do not know, because you can see I just had them all in the cups. There is Bordeaux red. I do know that one. I'm not quite sure. Some odd colors. I do know that this one is Butterfly Spells by Art Alchemy. Tiny bit left. I do have some gold here that I did not use. Very thick. And then I had some white mixed up here, and it's got some sparkle in it. I can show you the consistency. Very thick. I have one purple, blue, violet I'm gonna try. The color I'm worried about is this. I have no idea what I use this in, but we're gonna use it up. So I am going to pause you. There's no sense while I'm trying to scrape some of these low cups. They have a little bit low amount, and then I'm going to show you the cup. I will be right back. A lot of colors. You can see. I'm going to show you from the side. Look how pretty it is. I am actually going to use a white flow extender. It's very thin. I'm going to put a little bit in the center, keep the paint moving. I am going to do a ring pour. Here we go. Again, I have no idea. Oh, I didn't think I had the camera turned on. So I'm going to kind of do a jiggle and a ring. I don't really want to do, I'm going to do a jiggle and then a ring. And then a jiggle and then a ring. Something different. Leftover paints, why not? Okay. Be interesting to see. Okay. Odd colors for sure. Let's bring it into the center a little bit. And let's put some of this flow extender around. Okay. I'm gonna let it set for a minute. Let's torch it. Torch it, not blow it up. All right. Let's kind of move some of this around. Move this out of the way. There's so many cups. Very odd colors, but I want to start 2022 with all these cups gone. And I actually did a blue ring pour last week. I don't think the video's hit yet. With the blues that I had left. These are kind of the pinks, and there we go. Looks good. Some of these bubbles. There we go. Okay. I'm not sure if I want to wreck it or not. Let's move it around and see. Ooh, pretty lines. Getting some cells. Again, I have no idea where that orange-red paint came from. So, and it was a little bit thinner. I probably should have added some mix to it. But I do like the cells I'm getting with it. Okay, let's bring it back to the center. Ooh, pretty. Okay, let's go this way now. Go back to the center because that's some pretty lines right there. Now we'll come this way. I really want to get rid of some of this, run some of that off. I do not like that. It's funny that, you know, you can pick the wrong center color and it changes the whole composition. Okay. Loving that. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. Ooh, love those colors. Let's go down this way. It is moving. Okay. Bring it up. I keep forgetting I can move my canvas with these handles. It's so much easier. Still have some paints left. Very cool colors, that's for sure. I love this and this. I'm not crazy about that. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run some of this down. I don't want to mess that up too much because that's pretty. I hope you can see. And I'm going to run this off just till it hits and then I'm going to stop because I'm in love with this. This is gorgeous. So we are going to layer my cup and actually I'm going to get a clean cup. Okay. All right, let's do another ring pour. We're going to do it right here. Ring, jiggle, ring, jiggle. Good. There we go. Okay. Let's torch it. Pretty. I love that. I don't really know if I'm going to be able to keep it though. Okay, we're going to go over and down. I don't want to back, watching these corners that I don't want to mess up. Twist it this way. Let's bring this off the edge and back up. To here. Go this way with it. Bring some of this off, I think. Let's take a look. Pretty. Now I know you can all see where I've got to get this off here. Okay, so let's bring it down. Okay. It's awesome. For sure. This is really, the effects in this is pretty cool. I'm not caring for this, so I think I've stretched it as far as I can go. I don't like this here at all. Just looking. Okay, let's do another cup. Not like that color. Okay, not too bad. Get rid of some of this mudding, which anytime you use that orangey red, you risk the chance for that. So I don't really just want to move most of that off. I'm just kind of moving this around. I'm gonna play around to get that mudding off. Let's let it set a minute. And torch. Very different colors. I love it. Move it down a little bit. I'll turn it this way. There we go. Stretch it. Sway. Sway. I'm going to run it off the side here. Wow. This is pretty cool. Very cool. I know, I haven't done anything with this corner because I love it. Let's move it this way and this way. Okay. There we go. Sorry, no, I'm not under the camera. Just kind of tilting this. I see a goober in it. I can run that right off. There. Yep. There it goes. Ooh, pretty. That's what you get with leftover paints. Just a lot of cool things going on. I decided to cover up the negative space because it was only in one corner. And so that's what I'm doing. Kind of stretching it out. Brought some of the color in. It's very different. Look how the cells, the red's popping up through the blue. It's pretty. Very pretty. So just did one more cup. All right. I think that's That's looking good. Pretty. Very cool. There's one spot I don't like, and it is, I might be able to, it's right here. It's the red, it's kind of, it's got a lot of, there we go, I just didn't like all that white. Go off the corner. Looks good. Very different. So there are my drips from all my pinks. One blue. I hope you can see some of these lines. Look at that there. Beautiful. Pretty, pretty colors. It amazes me, like I said, when it sits a minute, what it does. I'm loving it. And I love using up my paints, that's for sure. Sure. Let's see if you can see. Down here, it's beautiful too. Yeah. Not bad. Okay. Happy New Year, everybody. I will get ready to do a flower pop. I'll be back. Till next time.